Are you looking to boost the value of your property? Well, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll reveal 6 powerful strategies that will help you increase the value of your home. So, let's dive right in. The first strategy is all about curb appeal. A well-maintained and attractive exterior is crucial when it comes to making a great first impression. So, invest in landscaping, fix those cracks on the driveway, and apply a fresh coat of paint to enhance your home's curb appeal. Next up is kitchen renovations. The kitchen is often the heart of the home, and upgrading it can significantly increase your property's value. Consider replacing old appliances, installing modern countertops, and adding a fresh backsplash to give your kitchen a brand new look. Now, let's talk about bathrooms. Updating outdated bathrooms is a proven way to add value to your home. Replace old fixtures, consider adding energy-efficient features, and don't forget to give your bathroom a thorough clean to make it shine. Moving on to number 4 is to create more space. Knock down non-load-bearing walls, convert an attic or basement into livable areas, or even build an extension. It's all about maximizing the usable space, which buyers value greatly. Strategy number 5 is to enhance the energy efficiency of your home. Install energy-efficient windows, upgrade insulation, and consider adding renewable energy sources like solar panels. Not only will this save you money on bills, but it'll also boost your property's value. Finally, don't forget about the little details. Things like replacing outdated light fixtures, updating the flooring, or adding a fresh coat of neutral paint throughout the house can make a big difference. So there you have it, 6 powerful strategies to increase the value of your property. We hope you found these tips helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this.